Hello friends, let's start with our next tutorial, Arrays in Java. This is lecture 5. Lecture 4 was on OOPS concept in Java. If you have missed it, I will give the link in description and you can refer that. Now let's start with arrays in Java. Java array is an object which contains element of similar data type. Like if you want to save int variable like int different roll numbers, like in this case roll numbers are of same data type, then you can have array for that. Array in Java is index based. The first element of the array is stored at 0 index, second element is stored at first index, and so on. Basically, there are two types of array. Single dimensional array, also called 1D array, multi-dimensional array. Now, single dimensional array in Java can be declared by two ways. Now, let's see single dimensional array. If you remember how to create a variable, it is like int variable name equal to value. This is how we create variable. But how to create array, which is like group of variable, int or any data type, then size equals to new array data type, then array size, give the array size like 5. Now I can save multiple values in variable a, like a at index number 0 I want to save value 1. Similarly, a at index number 1 I want to save value 2. Likewise, for I can save up to 4, like 0 to 4, because the size is 5. This is how you create a variable. Now how to print it? For I equal to 0, I up to length of array, a dot length, I plus plus, I want to print a but at index I. It means when I is 0, then it will print a of 0, which is 1. When I is 1, it will print a of 1, which is 2. Similarly, when it will be 2, 3, 4, when a is 4, it will print the value of a of 4, which is 5. Let's see the output here. Indeed, this is one-dimensional array, and also it can be declared in this way as well. Like instead of giving the size, I can directly give the value, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will run, the output will be same. Indeed. Similarly, the replacement of for loop is for each loop, which is I want to save in variable j everything in a one by one, which means when a is 0, it will save a of 0 in j. When a is 1, it will save a of 1 in j. Now I will print j in this case. Exactly same. Now let's learn two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional declaration can be of two ways. Similarly, like we have dimensional for 1D, similarly we can have dimensional for 2D. We will give 2 dimension, then we will give size up to 3. Now how I can save is I can save in sorry now how I can save is now how I can save is I can save a at 0 of 0, the value is 1. I can save 0 of 0, 0 of 1, 0 of 2, then 1 of 0, 1 of 1, 1 of 2, 0 of 1, 0 of 2, 2 of 2. The value I want to save is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is how I save it. Now how to print it? For I equal to 0, I less than 3, because 0 to 3, 0 to 2, because 0 to 2, I plus plus, for j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus, I want to print. Now if I will print in this way, like a of I j, what it will do is, first I will be 0, then j will be 0, then a of 0 0. Next, when I is 0, we are still in the loop j to j0 to j2. So when j is 0, it is this. When j is 1, it is a of 0 1. When j is 2, a of 0 2. Next, when I is 1, then again in the loop, j will be 0 1 2. When I is 1, then j is 0, then j is 1, then j is 2. Similarly, when I is 2, then j is 0 1 2. So a of 2 0 2 1 2 2. But if I will print it, you will not be able to understand what is going on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. But I want to write in a way like when I is 0, then print, do not print in next line. When j is completed, then only, which is when j is completed, or we can say when one iteration of I is completed, then go to next line and then print it. Print only next line. Now you will be able to understand the format. First, it will print 1 2 3 for this loop, then it will go to next line, then when I is 1, it will print 4 5 6, then it will print next line, then this way. This is two-dimensional array. And similarly, you can write in this way, like int b equal to, in this way you can write like 1 2 3, this is for first, next 4 5 6, then 7 8 9. Like b of 0 to 1, 0 2 0 3, b of 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 2, b of 2 0 2 1 2 2. If you will print b over here, then you will see the output. It is exactly same. Indeed. I hope you liked the session. Do like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.